Hi, I'm Paris. Sorry for the wind-blown look. It is so cold and so windy out. It's the perfect kind of day to make a hot cup of tea and have a cookie with it. The only issue with that is if we have a pack of cookies here in the house, they just don't last. You know how the Cookie Monster was before he became cookies are a sometimes snack? That's scarfing the cookies. That's how it happens here. So we actually don't keep packaged cookies in the house. We keep a cookie mix, and if somebody really needs a cookie fix and wants to go to the trouble of heating up the oven, mixing the stuff, and baking the cookies, then we'll have cookies. But we've just learned by experience it's easier to keep temptation at arm's length. So what can I do today? I don't want to go buy a whole pack of cookies. I don't want to bake up a whole batch of cookies. Well, there's a solution. This is brand new at my local supermarket. This is a microwavable, make it in 60 seconds or less, hot, gooey, individual cookie pack.
Epic Review Guys.
This is the Mrs. Jones Baking Company Cookie in a Cup. And it's exactly one cookie that I want and actually that I should have. As you can see, you just remove the lid, put in a little water, a little oil, stir it 30 seconds, microwave it 30 seconds, and your cookie is ready. This was in the baking aisle and on sale for just 99 cents. And it's 190 calories, but that's it. You can scrape out every last crumb out of this pack and you'll just have 190 calories. Here's a list of the ingredients. And the reason I think this could be the perfect solution, assuming it tastes good, is that with this you get just one cookie, but it's a hot, gooey cookie. You don't have to bake a batch or open up a pack. Let's see what it looks like inside. There are chocolate chips, kind of tiny, some other chunky things. Here's what the dry mix looks like. Time to head out to the kitchen, because me and Mrs. Jones, we're going to have a thing going on. So I add a teaspoon of water. 1.5 teaspoons of oil, and stir well for 30 seconds. Took me a little longer than 30 seconds to get all the powder mixed in, but it's ready to pop in the microwave now. 30 seconds on high. What shall I do while I'm waiting? Maybe have that jukebox play our favorite song. Okay, I'm going to see if I will enjoy it. Maybe have to let it cool a little. Well, it looks like it has puffed up a little bit. It's definitely hot. I see some melted chocolate. That's a good sign. Time to get my tea. Got my tea and my individual cookie. I did have to let the cardboard container cool a little bit, and then I used a butter knife around the edge and plopped it out onto the plate. Time for the taste test. Well, it's still warm. Come on, Mrs. Jones. Oh, Mrs. Jones, I'm so disappointed. There's cookie flavor there, but there's this gritty, powdery, something else flavor going on. Something you don't want to have going on with this cookie. Oh, that's disappointing. Well, there's always the chance that dipped in tea, it will taste better. I do like my dipping. Let me give this a try. It's not enough to counteract that odd flavor and that grittiness, I'm afraid. I'm afraid that's not worth spending 190 calories on and having that be my cookie. I did realize too, I've been misreading the label. It's Miss Jones, not Mrs. Jones. But in any case, I don't think it'll be tomorrow, the same place, the same time. The search goes on for a fresh baked individual cookie to have with my tea. I'll see you on the next review.
Epic Review.